Hey guys, welcome to our another fresh video. This is your friend Ankit, and today we will talk about stock photography trending topics and special days in the month of December, on which you should click photos to increase your sales on Shutterstock and other stock agencies. If you will really follow these trends and click better photos or create attractive illustrations, then definitely you will go higher sales in comparison with random photography, and therefore you will get good earnings. If this is your first time on this channel and you really want to perform better on stock photography, then please subscribe it to watch more useful videos. And if you want to watch latest videos very soon, then please turn on notifications by pressing the bell icon. In today's video, firstly, we will talk about special days in December 2020 and you can earn better by showing your creativity based on these special days. Then secondly, we will talk about all over trends of December, or you can say most requested content in December, which will help you to take your earning graph higher. You should always follow these trends if you really want to earn better on stock photography websites. Alright, let's begin today's informative video. So friends, in the list of special days, first one is World AIDS Day on 1st of December. I think all of you guys know it very well that how much wide topic this is. You can see very much advertisement, banners and campaigns on various TV channels, newspapers and websites. And almost all the governments also promote awareness of HIV AIDS. So obviously this is a wide topic and it can help very much to increase your sales. Then next important day is on 4th of December, Indian Navy Day. There are very much advertisements on this topic also and various banners on websites, especially Indian websites. So therefore, you should also consider this topic. Then next is on 5 December, World Soil Day. It is especially related to agriculture and geological research and it will be celebrated across the world. So it's also important. Then the next one is on 9th December, International Anti-Corruption Day, and this is also a wide topic. You can show in your photos like bribe and money laundering using various concepts. So therefore, this is also an important one. By the way, all of the days are important and can increase your sales. The days which are not important or less important, I simply skip them. You can learn more about them on the internet. So alright, the next day is Human Rights Day on 10th of December. And on this particular topic, the illustration scope is pretty much than photos. And if you have a good idea about photo, good concept about photo, then obviously you should go for it. Then the next day is on 11th of December, International Mountain Day. Next is International Tea Day on 15th of December. You can also consider this topic for good photos. Then the next important topic in our list is International Migrants Day on 18th of December. And it's very important guys. Editorial photos have much importance on this particular topic because refugee people or migrants will appear in the most of photos and it's hard to provide model release of all of the people. Or you can create illustrations too on this topic which didn't need any model release. So it's depend on you for what you go. Then the next day is on 23rd of December, Kisan Divas in Hindi. If we say in English, Farmers Day. And it's celebrated especially in India and it is not less important guys. If you stay updated with news, then you can know there is a strike or protest of farmers in India since many days and it's still becoming larger and greater day by day. So that's why I said it's not less important. Okay, those who have not subscribed yet, please subscribe the channel and like the video if you really love it. So let's go to next special day, which is very special, really special and celebrated across the world, all the world, and have very much scope for all the stock photographers. You can click better photos on this topic or create illustrations as well. All of your content has pretty much chances to be sold. So guys, you are thinking right, I am talking about Christmas Day on 25th of December. Really very important and have pretty much scope for all the photographers and graphic designers. So don't forget it, click better photos and create attractive illustrations on it. So the next day is well known New Year's Eve on 31st of December. So this is the list of special days or you can say important days in December 2020 If you find most important among them, so I will suggest 3 important topics. First is Christmas Day, second is New Year's Eve, and third is World AIDS Day. If you think this video is helping you, then please subscribe the channel and hit the like button. So let's go for all our trends in December 2020. So the trend number 1 is, as you guess, COVID-19 or coronavirus pandemic. Click good conceptual photos on it, create better illustrations, and you will definitely get good sales. Listen guys, if you have chosen your particular topic or field or niche, then you have no need of trends. And for the rest of photographers, trends are the most important thing. So let's talk about more trends which are also inherited from coronavirus. Trend number 2 is work from home or unemployment, business related photographs, startup related illustrations, etc. So the trend number 3 is online study or online education or study from home. You can click good conceptual photos on this topic or create mockups of mobile phones or laptops. You can show online meeting technologies, and in some countries the schools are reopening, so this is also trending along with it. You can show precautions in schools like sanitizers, masks, and new normal of classrooms, etc. And sanitizers and masks in school bags, and can show more concepts like it. So the next most requested topic is home hobbies and lifestyles. Obviously everyone's life has changed after coronavirus. Various hobbies are changed now. Outdoor work is reduced now, etc. If you want to read more about most requested content, then you can find the link in this video's description. So alright, these are the most requested content, or you can say trending topics in December 2020. Now it's depend on you how good photo you shoots or how much attractive illustrations you can create. Good photo means it's look wise good, it's also conceptual, and it's technically also good. I have already created a particular video containing the 10 pro tips or 10 technical tips to shoot better photos with mobile phone. This video is in Hindi, so those who know Hindi can consider this video. If this video helped you, then please don't go without subscribing the channel, and also like the video, share with your friends, and comment your queries, questions, or suggestions. You can also join our newly created Facebook group to ask your questions and tell something. So okay, I am concluding the today's video. Keep watching Stock Photography with AJ.